Hello guys, in this video I will configure the nested subgrid. So to configure the nested subgrid we need to have the parent-child relationship between the two entities. So here in the demo for that I have one account entity. Under that account I have the another entity called student, and it is a child of the account entity. So under the account I can have the multiple student, and under the students, when I open the student, under the student I have the application. So this is the relationship between the entity. Here on the application entity, there is no lookup of the account. However, there is a lookup of the student. That is why under the student, I can see the application, and under the on the student form, I have the lookup of the account. That is why on the account, I can see my students, which are the child of the account. So this is the relationship. I'm going to convert this relationship into the nested subgrid, where on the account form, I'm going to add the new subgrid here under this tab, which will show the related student of this account, and under the particular student, whatever the applications are there, that also will be displayed under the same subgrid. This is what the nested subgrid is there. In the nested subgrid, you can display the two type of records, two entity types of record in the one subgrid. So let's proceed design for this. I open the form designer of this particular account form here in the make.powerapps.com, and on this tab I have added this subgrid here. This is the subgrid which is taking the only the related record of the student entity. Here the view I have selected as the active student view. So now this is the standard subgrid now. So we have to add the component here. When you go to and add the component, it will ask to select the component here. So I'm going to select the editable subgrid here, and then here I want to select the record of type application. Here it is, application. I'm going to select the active application. Here the parent column, like on the application I have the lookup of the student, right? So here it will check on which column you want to set the lookup of the parent record. So this will be the my parent record. So I have selected it. Now this is the editable. So but this is the default setting, you can keep as it is. So now this setup is done. Let's keep it done. So this is the configuration. So we have configured the subgrid, which is looking for the basically it will display all this all the students which are active students, and then under that one we will have the editable subgrid, which is nothing but the of the applications, and on the lookup of the field as student, and then it will display that one. So let's save it and publish. Okay, it is published. I'll come here and refresh this form. Here it is. So now you can see under the student one, when you expand this one, I can see there is one application. Under this student, I have another application. So like that, multiple records of particular parent one you can display. So you can see from the account only, you can from the same subgrid, you can see two different type of records. So this is the nested subgrid. Also, you can edit the values of this one directly. So when you change the value from here, it will impact the changes and it will trigger the update event on that record. So I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you for watching this video, guys.